Bakla!
Check, maybe worms there.
Ha?
Worms. Raining.
Check daw baka may wood.
Your tongue will become purple.
Yeah, I know. I have that the big one there in Philippines.
That is different.
This one is different. Bakla! It's ano? What you call that one? Like a bitter, not bitter. Bakla. Parang walang ball. It will come one chindo. Become less, no? It's raining, guys. So no flower, less. Hallelujah. Tayo natin ulit. Kailangan tight. Uli? May aso.
Huh?
There is a dog, that's why she's barking. Uli, come! One chindo, 200. Kunti lang. Ito na siya. Lagay natin siya doon, guys, sa gate. At may kukuha yan. Ito no, sa gate. Dito. Lalagay lang dyan. Then, may kukuha na dyan yan. Ay, ang bola. Bola ni Julie. Julie! Ah, play! Ang liit ng ano. Langyog. Guys, maulan na naman. Alas 10 na, guys. 10 o'clock. Tingnan nyo naman. Look at the weather. The weather is like this. Nandito ako dito sa labas. Tingnan mo naman ang maulan. I'm thinking, I want to make pinakbet. I will cook. I have some there. Long beans, okra, and I have some squash. Ano pa ba? Yeah, that's it. Tatlo lang. At meron ako dong ang palaya isa. Kunin ko kaya. Yung gusto ko yung sabaw. Ito. Pang munggo kaya ako. Ano ba? Munggo whatsoever. Magmunggo ba ako? Masarap kasi ng ng panahon. Parang gusto ko magsopas. Tingnan nyo naman kasi ang weather, guys. Look this weather. Umuulan. I'm alone here in the house. Orlin in the school and Dada there in Shangkapura. So, look at this, guys. Ang aking katabi. Oh, Julie. Julie. Hey. Hey. Sleeping. Sleep ka. Sleep. Daming lamok ko. Kasi nga maulan. Sleep na. Sleep. Nandyan lang siya sa tabi ko. She's sleeping beside me. Lakas ng ulan. Guys, yan yung aking niluto kanina. Hindi ako nakapag-video. Kasi nga, yung aking phone is not fully, na siya, storage. Kaya nag-delete muna ako. So, ayan yung aking tanghalian. Vegetable. Pinakbet. Amay Maliit na hipon. Kain tayo. Kain, kain. After namin kumain kanina guys, natulog kami. Hindi na ako nakapag-video. So ayan, mga ano na dito, mga 4:30 na ng hapon.
Guys, what's this?
Kasi umulan. Go, Julie. Go.
She catches the ball and it falls out from her mouth.
Kick.
I'm
Julie!
just saying that word.
Keep down. Put it down.
Yes, that's what
Wait, wait.
goal.
Julie, us. Julie, us. Kick the ball. She will, she will, see, look how, see, look.
Look at it.
Look how she's, gusto niya talaga mag-ano to. She want to play. That's why she's waiting for you.
Guys, now you have to kick the ball.
Put it down. Put it down. Julie, put it down.
Yeah.
Mm.
Guys, see this tricks. I know.
Put down. Put down. Put down. She's giving you. Put down. Julie, put it down.
Okay.
See, Julie. See, look, Julie, how she's waiting for you.
I just kicked in her chest. Sorry, did you get hurt?
Julie, put it down. Put it down. No, don't do that. Julie, give me. Give the ball. Take the ball.
Do not follow me, Julie.
She will run.
I know that I do.
Julie, put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
Hey. No fighting, bro. Bro, why are you fighting me, bro?
Put it down. Don't kick the ball, no, in her mouth. Now she don't want to go there.
She's scared, I think. She look at her ears.
Again, good morning, guys. Today is Monday, and Orlean is ready now to go to school. Look at this, the weather, guys. It's raining here. In the morning was thundering, not much thundering, and then after that it's raining. See, look the weather. It's what you call this, raining season here in India, guys. I think in Philippines also, I think it's raining, but not much. Same here. Look at this. Dada there out at the back. He is plucking the flower, jasmine. So I don't know if it's finished or not. Let's see. And I have time. Still 8 o'clock. Orlean bus coming is like 8:30. So I need to go before 8:30 upstairs. Dada is there. He has a big big umbrella. Look at him. Finish, Bear? Finish? Now he's going to finish. He cut the grass yesterday. Still have balance. The grass is long now. Look at this side. It's little okay. He cut yesterday, so now the grass is chuk. Not too much. Starting June 1st, it's raining. Oh, look at that. The black pepper is coming now. That, guys, is black pepper. So now slowly it's coming, the seeds. So now that is finished, I think. See, look. Oh, there's another one there. Sponge guard. Oh, there's another one. Look at this. Sweet potato. Kulitis. This is the balance. Try to get help. Still have time. 8:15.
You ready?
Yeah. Everything is ready. There is some now the vegetable is there, the small. Sure. Look at it, guys. See? Become yellow. It's like that. See? There is one here. One here. Huh?
Flower?
Flower and this vegetable, coming. There's another one. Here also, Oh, raining now. Oh, raining. Take the umbrella. Need to go. Run. Guys, basa ako. I'm wet. Not just 5 minutes I go there, the back. Diba? Look at that. Oh. Ano ba? Urin is ready now. Oh my God. Hey, run. Len.
Hi.
She's ready now. This one, her bag, everything is ready. So ayun guys, atin ko na si Olin dito. Dito na kami sa yeah. Close your umbrella. Close. It's okay. You close. What are you doing? You're removing the water. Okay. Nandito na kami sa guys, sa labas. So ayan guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. God bless you all. It's raining here. Bye bye.